Hey, what's going on? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. And we have another video for you today. I'm going to turn it over to Kathy. We're going to start pulling some sales. And I think this is for the last couple days, 2 days worth of sales.
I think it's
1.5
really
day?
Well, we did ship yesterday. We just didn't do a video. So
That's true.
Yeah, these are kind of like from yesterday evening through now. So I guess a basic day's worth. So it's not like a huge stack.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll start over here in AA next to Reese, who's not on his bed.
He was. And then I pushed record and then he got out.
He's a weird guy. No, you don't.
He ran away again last night.
He ran away for a while.
Yeah, I was out there looking for
this
like
is
40
after
minutes.
Our live show, so like we only got done with that at 10:30. Chris goes and feeds him, lets him out.
Yeah.
And he runs away within a minute. And then Chris is out there for probably, I feel like you were gone for like an hour.
An hour? Yeah.
Looking for him. So
It was really dark and
normally he runs to a neighbor during the day and they'll call.
yeah.
But it was dark at night.
When I found him, he was with somebody who was walking his two dogs, and he was looking at his collar, so he was about to call me, but I just happened to pull up on him, which I'm sure he was like, "What?" So
Yeah.
anyway, let's what's going on with the sales?
Yeah, so I sold these Skechers for men. Bought these for $5, sold for $35.95 plus shipping.
All right.
Yeah, let me grab out a few. Well, I guess I'll just grab one for now because I don't know what I sold today. I mean, I know, but I forgot. It's always fun to, when I'm pulling with you, it's like I already forgot what I sold, so it's kind of fun.
Especially when we we've been recording every other day almost.
Yeah.
So at least pulling our sales every other day for the most part.
Sold these little baby Jordans on Kitizen for $31.50 free ship. The shipping cost $5.50, and I bought the shoes for $8. Those I bought at Once Upon a Child. Let's grab these. Do a ice cream truck. Alright, AM got a viewer sale. I think we have a few viewer sales today. So this one's going out to Destiny. She bought these little John Deere overalls for her son. I bought these for $2.99. She bought them off Kitizen for $18 free ship. Shipping was $5.50 on these as well.
Awesome. Destiny, thank you so much for that support. We
Ice cream
appreciate it.
trucks. Does
Yeah.
that go with camo?
Camo?
Camo. Because these are camo overalls.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ice cream trucks
I mean,
and camo.
like 2 peas in a pod, right?
Yeah.
But speaking of ice cream trucks, I don't know, Skoolie, is that kind of related?
Not really.
I was thinking maybe we could show a little bit of the Skoolie a little bit later in the video.
Show it how.
I took it out for a spin yesterday.
I took a video. He didn't even know I was like taking the I just heard the bus start up. I knew he was gonna like do it that day, but
Yeah.
like all of a sudden I hear it. It's kind of loud, like starting up.
Diesel
and,
end, yeah.
So I just had to look out the window, and it was perfect time to record. So
Yeah, we finally got all the seats out and the dumpster's gone, so I took it out for a spin. And yeah, it's been a while, so you got to get the engine going up every once in a while, and I figured you guys might want to check it out, so we'll post a little bit of that later in this video.
okay. Did sell these Javiana's flip flops. I think this is a viewer, Megan. So if you are, thank you so much, Megan. She bought them for $15 plus shipping, and I bought them for $2.99.
Very nice, Megan. Thank you so much for that support.
And they're under a pound, so going in a poly mailer. Okay, AI. This item was listed for a long time, so I'm very glad to see it sell. This is the brand O'Neill. It's like a rash guard, bought for $2.50, sold for $20.95 plus shipping. So pretty good sale after not selling for a long time.
Yeah.
I've sent offers on that down to like $15, so nobody wanted it except this guy.
Was that a
Thank you,
retail
guy.
arbitrage, or was that?
That wasn't. It was just
No?
a thrift store.
Okay.
It's pre-owned. Clark's men's sandals, bought for $9.99, sold for $35. That was on Poshmark, an offer I accepted.
Sweet.
Probably do like a regional B box. Should do good. CK. This one I had woke up to 2 offers on Posh. One was for $13, one was for $35. So I accepted the $35. Yeah, so these are just some kids' Nike. I actually bought these for my son. They were just a tiny bit too small for him, so I just relisted them. I bought them for $19.61, so I'm still making $8 and some change profit off of those, so that's cool.
So when somebody sends an offer, does that notify other watchers?
Yeah.
So
the
you think
person who sent 13, this is all like when I'm like 6 in the morning. So
right.
I didn't see the first offer anyways. I wouldn't have accepted, but yeah, that triggers all the other offers or other likers to
It just
know
says
that
hey, an offer's been put in.
Yeah, it doesn't say how much or anything. So
well, hey, that seems like it kind of helped us out.
Yeah, it's helped a few times. I definitely like that feature. Still regional A on that one. Alright, headed to box A. This one I'm making like $1 profit. But I'm very happy to see this go. Where are you at? It's the San Diego Chargers watch that I got at the bins.
Yeah.
It didn't end up working when we tested it, so I listed as is, not working. Probably just needs a battery, but I didn't want to buy one just to find out that it may be something else, or even still, then I'd have to add the cost of the battery into it. So
yeah.
Got it at the bins. I paid $1.95 because I averaged my cost of goods at the bins with this, honestly. It was probably a few cents, but anyways, $1.95 into $8 with discount shipping. So I think I profited like $1.38.
Hey.
Yep, big money here.
Would have been a loss if we bought a battery.
That's true.
Although we could have sold it working if it was. Which I'm like 90%, 99% positive it's the battery, right? It looks like it's never been used, like sitting on a shelf as a collectible almost. So,
hopefully it works for them once they add that.
Yeah.
And lastly, we got a Zara polo shirt. This one. It's funny because Chris was just editing our last video, like to put up today, and he likes to check tracking, just make sure things are like moving. Well, not that he likes to, but he gets screenshots of the solds anyways, so he'll notice if something's weird about it.
Yeah, if I see a bunch of delivered things and then one that's not delivered, I'm like, yeah, what's going on with that?
So this one, he's like, why is this not tracking? Then I'm like freaking out, and I'm like, wait a minute, that one's not even pulled yet because the sale came in like a week ago. The buyer took like 4 days to pay for it. Yeah. And then left a message saying, please ship fast or something.
Ship ASAP, yeah. Which is why I was like, why isn't this tracking? Did we do something wrong?
So, anyways, we have our shipping on 2-day now as well. So, like, she didn't pay till yesterday after we'd already dropped off a few items at the post office. So, I'm not shipping until today at like 4:30.
Right.
So, not my fault, but.
I'm curious, do you think that message was sent as she paid or before, like when she officially clicked buy it or whatever, or took the offer?
I imagine when she paid, but even still, like, you made me wait 4 days for my money, but also I'm not going to ship faster than I can, first off, and second off, then like we have 2-day delivery, like 2-day handling, and then whatever the delivery date is after that. So anyhow, not that I wouldn't if you asked me ahead of time, but like there was zero communication in the whole situation, and then except for that note.
Right.
So yeah, if you guys ever need something shipped quicker, I'll ship it quicker. So.
Yeah, for sure.
Anyways, I bought this polo for $3.50, sold for $15 plus shipping. So that's another reason, like, it's like an $8-9 profit, which I'm happy with, but not to like rush it to the post office and like mess up my whole day of getting something done for somebody.
And I mean, like, normally we ship 1 day, right? And that's super fast. 2 days is very fast too.
Actually, lately, even though I've been doing 2 days, I've still been getting messages like, "Thanks for the quick shipping."
Yeah,
so
it's still pretty quick
enough,
right?
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyway,
that's what's sold since last night.
So we're gonna get this stuff packed up and then check back in, close it out, and then maybe go look at the Skoolie.
I haven't even seen it since you pulled all the seats out. It's hot outside, and I don't like being out in the sun. I get sunburned so easy, and I just don't like sweating that much. So, anyways, I'll be surprised with you all.
Yeah, it's a mess, but there's no seats at least.
Yeah.
So we'll be right back. All right, got everything packed up, ready to go. We got the boys here, Cyrus and Connor. He's really excited because our viewer and friend Debbie has sent them a birthday present.
So excited. How about you open this card first? He says. There you go.
All right.
Whoa.
Hey, well, you got to read the card. Oh.
They haven't really had birthday parties or anything either, so like all the presents they get are usually from us.
You gonna put it in your piggy bank?
Happy birthday for two sweet boys. It was good to see both of you on YouTube. Love, Debbie. $5 for each of you guys.
Awesome.
Thank you,
Debbie, thank you.
She also sent whatever's in this package.
Connor, you gonna open that one?
Let me help you with some scissors on that one, maybe.
I need help.
You don't need help? Oh, okay. Ooh. She must have seen my Okay, it's not what I was about to think it was.
What did you think it was gonna be?
I was thinking it was like those fun like toothbrushes, you know?
Oh.
Because like at Christmas I showed a video of you like so happy about your toothbrush that we got you for Christmas.
What is that?
What is that? A doctor kit? Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa.
Some Roblox. Roblox.
So you guys both got to share those, okay?
Debbie, what do you guys say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you, Debbie. Awesome.
Yeah, there you go. Just smack your face with it. All right. Debbie, thanks again. We're going to send them downstairs. We're about to head to a birthday party, so they're dressed in like some swim clothes.
Oh,
Goodbye.
You guys, do you want to have them come to the bus with us? Or?
Yeah, we'll go out to the bus. But yeah, that's everything that has sold there. So we're just going to go close this out down in the bus.
Yeah.
Ready to go inside? Let's go check it out.
You wanna go up?
Even Reese.
All right.
All right. It is warm, it is toasty, and it's seatless. Well, there's one seat, so it's just got the driver's seat, which I'm probably going to take out to try to get reupholstered and all that stuff. But
Not leather. Leather's hot, man.
huh?
Like leather seats, something
Yeah.
your booty.
Yeah. So yeah, this is got all the seats out. I got to figure out how to get these heaters out. They're kind of plumbed in. These things here, they're kind of under some seats. And there's like, it's kind of like engine coolant that runs up the side. And yeah, there's two of them. Got to remove that. Started taking some of the flooring off. You guys be careful. There's like nails and stuff, okay?
Nail?
We're going to get down to the metal flooring, which has some rust, which is common, I guess. So we'll treat the rust, get all the metal off, get all the insulation out.
Get all the pencils out.
Get all, yeah, there's tons of
School bus,
pencils.
so that's funny.
Yeah, tons of junk.
Do you think anyone on eBay wants to buy a lot of old pencils?
No. Not unless Matt's selling them, right?
That's true.
It's a penny.
You found a penny? Hey,
Put
save
that
it.
toward the bus fund.
But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. We've had
Another
too much time to work on it.
corner.
So we're going to be working on it more and more. And man, it is really warm in here.
Penny.
Anyway, guys, yeah, that is where we're at with the Skoolie. So gonna be taking stuff out even more. The chairs was like a big undertaking. This other stuff is kind of a little bit easier, I think. So we're gonna show you guys along the way as we go. We haven't really quite designed it how we want it to be laid out. We have ideas, but it's still a work in progress. We need to get all the chairs out to find out how big it is overall and all that. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the amazing support. Thanks for the presents, Debbie. We do appreciate all of that. And we will see you guys in the next one. We're gonna get out of here because it's hot. I'm dying. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.